Don't mind, we're going to dig way down an old Baptist hymnal and do a Baptist song for you right now. This one goes way, way back. The song talks about Jonah, one called God Moves in a Windstorm, and it goes like this.
God sent Jonah to the Nineveh land to preach the gospel to the wicked men, tell them to repent of the wicked ways.
Look through the city in 40 days.
God moves in a windstorm. He rode in a windstorm. God moves in a windstorm, and he troubled everybody in their mind. Jonah went down to the seashore to make up his mind which way to go. He boarded the ship and he paid his fare.
God got angry with Jonah down there.
God moves in a windstorm. He rode in a windstorm. God moves in a windstorm, and he troubled everybody in their mind. Jonah went down from the side of man. He called on Jesus to be his friend. He disobeyed God and he had to pray.
The Lord sent a storm on the water that day.
God moves in a windstorm. He rode in a windstorm. God moves in a windstorm, and he troubled everybody in their mind. They cast poor Jonah overboard. Well, God sent a whale and he swallowed him whole. He went on down to the Nineveh land.
He laid poor Jonah on a bed of sand.
God moves in a windstorm. He rode in a windstorm. God moves in a windstorm, and he troubled everybody in their mind. Well, Jonah rose up from the sand. He went on walking to the Nineveh land. He preached the gospel at his command.
Repent, repent, you wicked man.
God moves in a windstorm. He rode in a windstorm. God moves in a windstorm, and he troubled everybody in their mind. God moves in a windstorm. He rode in a windstorm. God moves in a windstorm, and he troubled everybody in their mind. God moves in a windstorm. He rode in a windstorm. God moves in a windstorm, and he troubled everybody in their mind.